Guys, may nagtanong saan daw pinag-grooming ang mga cats namin and saan pinapa-vaccine. Watch this video!
This is Jessie Cats. Welcome to my channel. And I'm inviting you to see the view from my window.
So today, medyo maingay kami cause ipapa-grooming ang mga cats. Gary over here sa kanyang backpack. Tapos yung dalawa nandoon sa side, si Kokoy and si Phoebe. Yes guys, we have 3 cats in the house. O diba? Si Gary, binigay lang ng aking good friend. Not good friend. Shallow and family. O diba? Shallow and Brian, binigay nila yan. And we wanted to adopt si Kokoy pero yung owner nila Kokoy din is hindi na nakabalik from vacation sa Pinas. So, pinaalagaan na lang din sa amin si Kokoy at si Phoebe. Hindi daw pwedeng paghiwalayin. Kaya, naging 3 ang cat namin. O, ayan kami on the way to the grooming. Ito pala, Fits and Tails Pets. Dito namin pinapag-groom yung mga pusa. They change location na, not anymore in Horalands. You can Google it or you can DM me kung saan yung shop nila ngayon. Ayan, si Gary, Kokoy, and Phoebe the cat. Kung makikita nyo sila, some of my videos, yung photo nila. So,
Ayan, yan. Si Kokoy, tinatanggal yung balahiba niya kasi masyado ng mabuhaghag, masyadong untidy, tapos sumasabit-sabit na dun sa kinakainan niya sa water. Kaya, pag nagpapag-grooming siya, tinatanggal talaga. Kasi mahilig siya magbabad sa water, ay nagkakabulbul yung kanyang balahibo. So, parang clean din, para bagong tubo yung hair niya. Gaganda yung hair niya. Ayan guys, ganyan mag-grooming, sinishave sila, nililinis, ni siya shampoo, kinocomb yung hair, kinakat yung nails, ganyan. Yan yung 3 cats namin guys, si Phoebe, si Gary, at si Kokoy. After nilang mag-grooming, pupunta rin kami sa vaccine, kasi vaccine day na nila. So every year nagpapa-vaccine din. Ayan pala yung nagtatanong. Yan po yung aming veterinary clinic dito sa Dubai for the cat.
And thank you guys for watching. Mwah!
And remember to always be a blessing to others. By the way, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please click that subscribe button and the notification bell so you will know if I will have new upload. Follow me also on all my social medias and let's be friends. Later.